The present simple tense is used to describe actions or events that happen regularly or habitually in the present. It is also used to express general truths or permanent states. The present simple tense is formed by the base of the verb unless the subject is he, she, or it, in which case the verb takes an S ending. And when people don't use the S when they talk about he and she and it, I tell them you need a vitamin. We call it vitamin S. Let's take examples here. People speak Arabic in Iraq. Cars honk in the busy streets of Baghdad. Children attend school in Baghdad. Vendors sell their goods in the market in Baghdad. People pray at the mosque in Basra. The heat is intense in Iraq during the summer. People use the Tigris River for transportation near Mutanabbi. The Iraqi economy relies heavily on oil production. People visit the ancient ruins in Iraq to learn about its history. The sun rises in the east. Birds fly in the sky. Children play in the park. Teachers teach in schools. Flowers bloom in the spring. People eat food to survive. Water boils at 100 Celsius. Dogs bark at strangers. Cats purr when they're happy. Fish swim in the water. The present simple tense is the most common tense in English because it's used to describe actions that are repeated, habits, or general truths. It's easy to use and it helps to convey simple and straightforward information. Students should learn the present simple tense first, as it will give them a solid foundation to understand more complex tenses in the future.